All right, so it's as simple as going to your Temper Monkey script, um, and enabling it. You can go to create new script, and then you just paste in the script you bought. Go to export current raw JSON, and then it exports it as to JSON. And then after that, you just drag it onto the .batch, which uses the Python script, and it converts it into an Obsidian formatted style. So here you see here it has the ID, all this, and it says the start date, and this has the private data, which is why you need the Python converter, because the Python converter, it censors all your private data from the chat. And as we see here, it tells you actual stats. So it even has a warning. This a warning is a false positive simply because there's just a few messages. But if you have a lot of messages and it only detects a few, it'll actually give you a warning. So as it says, you drag the JSON that you just exported onto the bat file included. It tells you the name of the chat, the first prompt date, the mapping nodes, visible user and assistant messages and characters. Now, after you copy and paste your markdown file into your vault, or copy paste the contents into your vault into a file, you'll see in the right hand it separates everything by headers. This makes it extremely easy to find generations. So like if I click here, this is a prompt, user is a prompt, and then these below the assistant are what the assistant says.